Okay guys, welcome back. 2020, new year, happy new year everybody. Hope you've all had a good one, and it brings some good bushcrafting and wild camping weather. So yeah, I was tidying up my garage, and I rediscovered my granddad's old stove. Well, I say my granddad's. Story has it, it isn't actually his. I mean, he's passed away now, unfortunately, so I can't ask him. But story has it, when my nana was still alive, that he borrowed it off a friend and never returned it. So yeah, it's a Blax paraffin, 2-pint capacity paraffin Primus stove. Came from Leisureland. It's still got the label on it. £4.60. So the brass is probably worth more than that. So yeah, so basically what you have is you have the main body, you have the supports for the top plate, for your cooking, like so. You have the burner section, which all comes apart for cleaning. You have the pressure release valve there, and the priming pump there. And what you have to do is there's a collar here. It's like a little reservoir, and you fill it with some methylated spirits. You light it, and you keep the valve open and you keep the pump open, as far as I know. And the meths heats those pipes up there. And once it's heated up for a couple of minutes, you close the pressure valve, you start priming it, and the paraffin will be pushed up through this pipe network, which is now warm. And what that will do is, as far as I understand, is it will I don't know whether it's a word, but gasify, turn the paraffin into a gas. And then subsequently it'll either light, or you can light it with a lighter or a ferro rod. So what we're going to do today is we're going to light it. We're going to see how it works. It's not in the best of condition. It is a little bit leaky, so yeah, if anybody knows where I can get new seals for it from, there's a pump seal. It's all a bit loose. There's like a leather washer inside the pump piston, and you know, I'd love to get it back, clean it up, get it back into full working order. It's not ideal for hiking, but it's good for you know, a normal campsite, and bringing into your local woods or what have you. So yeah, so without further ado, we're going to put a bit of paraffin in here, and if anybody knows any more information about it, like I say, it's I'll just quickly show you, it's a Blax paraffin Primus stove. If anybody knows any more information about it, I presume it's somewhere 50s, 60s, 70s. You know, I could be wrong. Please put in the comments. And if anybody can help me with parts or know where I can get it restored, be much appreciated. I'd love to get it back to full working order. It's not the safest of things when it's working. Because at the end of the day, you got 2 pints of paraffin underneath you, whereas the modern ones, your tank is separate, and you can put it a little distance away from the main flame. So yeah, caution is definitely needed. So what we have to do is, like I say, we have to put a bit of methylated spirits. Would help if I open the bottle. A little bit of methylated spirits in that reservoir. I'm going to put that bottle way to the side, and light it, and it's going to then heat those tubes, so it'll gasify the paraffin once I prime it. So with the magic of video, I'm not going to let you sit through 2 minutes of it warming up, but let me see if it can get it lit. Okay. Alright, so it's lit. Okay, so yeah, that was a bit random. The amount of times that I've been in these woods, I mean, they're not private by any stretch of the imagination, but random dog just ran through and ran off, but I can't see anybody about anywhere. Okay, there we go. It's warmed up now. There we go. Beautiful. I'll bring you in for a quick close-up. So as you can see, beautiful blue flame. Okay, so that's burning nicely. So for each experiment, we're going to put, we're going to boil 300 ml of water, which is about a cup's worth, I reckon. So every one will be 300 ml. So let's put the lid on, and we've got the stopwatch. Let's give the stove one last prime. It's burning lovely now. Like I say, they are a bit temperamental, or this one is a bit temperamental, and off we go. So we're going to look for a rolling boil, and once we achieve a rolling boil, we'll see how long it takes, and that's the statistic that we'll use to compare. So I'll bring you back when we have a rolling boil. Okay, let's see where we are. We're just simmering. 2 minutes 30, and we're simmering. And there we go. We are at a rolling boil. It's 2 minutes 37. So pretty quick. So I'm going to keep that to one side. I'll have a nice brew with that in a moment. And there we go. So I'm going to wrap the video up now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share my channel. Please help me grow. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon for upcoming videos. I'm going to try drop one every possibly week to 2 weeks. I'm just figuring out things for myself at the moment with the channel, and when I can make the videos. Obviously it's always weather permitting. So yeah, cracking stove, and it's been a good bit of fun using it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.